everyone. Today we are going to re-look at our letter sound. P. Can you say that? P. This one we use our lips and we push the air out when we say it. We go P, P, P. It's a soft, quiet sound. P, P, P. Good. Now I've got some pictures for us to look at to help us practice our P sound. This is a picture of a pig. Can you say that? Pig. And then I got a picture of a pizza. Pizza. And pencil. Pencil. Well done, everyone. Now behind me, I've got a picture of a pirate, if you can see it. A pirate. Just like my card here. Pirate. Can you say that? Pirate. Excellent, everyone. Now, when I flip my card over, I have my sound, my letter P. Looks a bit like my pirate, doesn't it? It's got the long plaits, and then it's the face of our pirate. So now what I'm going to do, before I start working with you on writing our sound, is we are going to put our sound and mix it in with the sounds that we've already learned. There we go, so I've mixed it in, and I want you to tell me what sounds you see. So we've got a. Well done. S. T. P. A. T. Well done, everyone. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to practice writing our P now. But first we're going to use our finger. And what we're going to do is we're going to go down the plait and around his face. That's what we do again. So we're going to start at the top and we're going to go down the plait and around the pirate's face. Can you try? I'm going to try doing that on my hand. Down the plait and back up and around the pirate's face. Now, it's really important you try not to lift your pencil up when you're doing this, or your marker up when you're writing this, because it doesn't make it quite a nice looking, it's not quite the same. So you go down the plait and around the pirate's face. Down and back up and around the pirate's face. Now I'm going to do that on my board. So if you've got a board or a pencil, you can try in just a moment. So watch me. So I'm going to go down the plait. I'm going to go back up. See, I'm not lifting my pencil up. Oops, sorry, I did lift it up there in the end. And then I'm going to go around the pirate's face. Do it again. So you're going to go down the plait, up, and around the pirate's face. Can you try? Can you try doing that? So I'm going to go down the plait, back up, and around the pirate's face. Down the plait, back up, and around the pirate's face. Down the plait, and around the pirate's face. Just like that. Now you do as many of them as you want. And you don't have to always say down the plait and around the pirate's face. You could just say our sound P. So, like that to get some good practice with your sound. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do our reading. Last time, we read 3 words. We read the word at, and then we read the word as, and then we read the word sat, sat. And today we're going to learn to read a couple more words along with those words. So let's practice with just the first ones that we did read the first when we did our sound a couple weeks ago. Here we go. So we've got our word as, and then all we did was we swapped in the T. There we go. Now I've got my word at. You try. At. That's our word at. It's got an A in the T sound. Excellent. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to read our 3-letter word. And it is our first one anyways. Our first 3-letter word was this one here, wasn't it? There, so I've got my words spaced out perfectly. And let's try reading it. We've got a, s, at, sat, sat, sat. You try with me now. S, at, sat, sat, sat. That's the word sat. So what we did there is we segmented, so we said each sound and then we blended them together by pushing the sounds and mixing them together to make that word. Now I'm going to do a new sound, or new word, sorry, not sound. We're just going to put the p over, oh, I'm not going to stay. Here we go. Put my p there. There we go. So I've got my p sound, my a, and my t. So we're going to segment those and then blend them together. P, a, t, pat, pat, pat. That's the word pat. Let's do that again. P, a, t, and then blend. P, pat, pat, pat. Then we push those sounds together to read our word pat. Now I've got another word for us to read today. I'm going to put my s back. And I'm going to take my t away. And I'm going to put my p at the back there. Alright, now let's try reading this word. We've got a s, a, p. So we segmented. Let's do that again together. S, a, p, sap. That's what I did. I blended it, didn't I? Can you try with me? Sap. Let's do it again. Sap. Do you know the word? Sap. 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 That's the word. Sap. Now sap is the liquid that you get from a tree. If you were to break a branch or to cut it, there would be a little liquid coming out of it. And it's very sticky. And that's the sap. And that's the word that we've read now. Sap. Sap. Well done, everyone. We've read lots of words today. We read the word pat, sat, sap, at, and as. Oh, that was a lot of reading, a lot of hard work, and thank you so much for joining me today. Now what I'd like you to do is give yourself a roller coaster clap, and I know that's one that you guys really like. So you're going to do is you're going to go up the roller coaster and then down with a wee. Are you ready? We're going to get into your roller coaster and go. Whee! Oh, well done, everyone. Thank you so much for coming today. And I hope that you have a lovely rest of your day. Take care.